Oras lang natin muna yung Kuya Rick para... Wala ng laman. Pag alam mo ng tuyo, babad mo lang ulit dito. Baka makapag-siguro. Oo, sige. Ayan po si Kuya Eric. Magpapahid na ng kulay asul.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to buy. a good day tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
Ngayon po, pumirenda ko muna ako kay Kuya Eric natin. Dahil ayan na po yung ano ni Kuya Eric. Popcorn.
Hindi ba may light blue pa yan?
Oo. Di pa tapos. Pero maganda ng tignan.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time. We all play our part. Go out now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget.
Ayan po yung nilagay namin pungero.
Live, it's your life, go on now. Chase your dreams.
Ito yung popcorn ni Kuya Eric.
Be fine. Live your life.
Ayan po, linagay na po yung sa gitna niya.
Your life.
Ayan po, linalagay na po yung kulay pula.
A few moments later.
Ayan po, umuulan na. Kahit umuulan, kahit pa rin.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all.
Good morning Kasit Mary, Katekram, Kajano natin. Ngayon po, pumunta naman tayo sa Suba Building. Dito na tayong pintura. Yung isang kasama ko, yun, namimintura na. Ngayon na po yung basketball natin. Mag-good morning muna kayo.
Good morning mga kaswitch.
Boss ka, good morning ka.
You've completed me, and the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. For you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. Fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. Show the limits with you right now. So what's your feelings? The city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear, they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living.
Ayan guys, tapos na po yung basketball natin. Ayan po, kompleto na po yan. Ayan na, oh. Ayan po yung ring. Ayan, oh. Gumanda na po yung likod natin. Saka yung mga hero natin. Sa mga hero natin, ayun na, naka-tipon na. Nakapagsunog na ako.
'Cause we got love.